I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker. Let's make some fried wild rice. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Here's my egg bite maker. I just heated it up. The blue light is off. So I'm gonna take some butter and just put some butter on the bottom of this. And I'm gonna add some chopped scallions. I keep these in my freezer, so these are frozen, so I just want to heat these up a little bit. That looks good. Now I'm going to add a beaten egg because I do like scrambled eggs in my fried rice. But you can make fried rice however you like to make fried rice. I'm just going to move these around. I don't want to make an omelet. The thing with this egg bite maker is, as far as like all the Dash Mini appliances go, this one has the lowest temperature. So sometimes things take a little bit longer to cook. These look good. And now I'm gonna add some carrots. These carrots are steamed, so these carrots have been previously cooked. I'm just warming them up here. And I'm also adding some Napa cabbage, which had been previously cooked also. Fried rice is a great way of using up leftovers that you have in your refrigerator. So let's shut this and let that heat through. This has been cooking nicely, and as you can see, there's not a whole lot of room left here for rice. But let's pack some in. I'm using my wild rice. I'm using the wild rice that I made in my Dash Mini rice cooker. Let's just pile it on here because all we really want to do is heat it up with the veggies. And then when I dump this out into a bowl, then we could really mix it all together. Let's just pile a whole bunch in here. I'm going to add a little bit more butter to it. And let's also add some seasoning. Let's add some garlic powder. Let's add some ginger. It'll all mix in later, but right now I'm just adding it to kind of heat it up and bring out the flavors. A little bit of sesame oil. Some black pepper. Okay, let's shut this. Everything's been cooking for a few minutes. Let's see what's going on. That's what it looks like right now. As you can see, it's piping hot, all kinds of steam's coming off of it. So let's unplug this. And then let's figure out how to get everything that's in here onto a plate. And here's the fried rice. I think it looks great. I love the colors with the dark wild rice. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce to this. Let's stir it up a little bit. All right, then let's give it a taste. That is really good. And of course it's really healthy with all the veggies, and it's really hearty with this wild rice because it's a lot bigger than regular rice and you really have to chew it. Yeah, this is excellent. And so that's how easy it is to make fried rice in this Dash egg bite maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.